the lady behind all of this, Palak, to please come up to the stage. Can you give her a big round of applause and make some noise for her while she makes her way to the stage? Thank you very much.
This is a movement which is a joint movement by a lot of people. And that's exactly what we're talking about right now. I don't think any one person or one organization or any individual is responsible for this. So when we started Vegan First, there was not a mature movement for Vegan First in India. But if we kept waiting for it, I think we'd be still waiting. And even today. Um, and that's the story of many brave people who have started the movement at early stages. We're very blessed and lucky that a lot of them are actually here present with us. I don't want to take any individual names, but you know who you are. And you have worked very hard, braved it, and really paved the way. It's not easy to do this, but it is the need of the hour. And there was always somebody who started first, right? The first vegan wedding, the first vegan advocacy group, the first vegan potluck, things like that. That gives rise to a community. Movements grow because somebody is willing to go first, but they also wobble a little bit sometimes before they fly. And that's what we're seeing maybe globally or in India or in many other places. But if you look at every other movement in the history, they all follow a similar arc. Look at, we have innovators, early believers, then we have a slump, we have a little bit of a cultural shift, and then the infrastructure for that movement is set up. Then it leads to normalization. It becomes the new normal. And that's perhaps why we are here. Because the whole idea of Vegan India conference or, you know, creating vegan community was not to get together at party and enjoy. It's of course we do need community, it's important. But it's to truly support each other during those times where the movement is like wet cement. And if you look at the internet, for example, there was a dot-com boom and then there was a dot-com crash. After that, today we have 5.4 billion users. You look at electric vehicles. We started with a hype. It led to near bankruptcy. Today, 14 million electric cars are sold just in 2023. Look at the health and organic sector. It started with distrust, followed by consumer resurgence. And today, a $263 billion market. Now, veganism is not so different. And we want to tell that to anybody who does not see change so fast, maybe in India or rest of the world, because there were early believers, there have been activists, mindful consumers. Now we are even seeing culinary creativity. There was a slump too. It was labeled too extreme in 2010. We're seeing celebrities, cricketers talking about the benefits, documentaries like Cowspiracy, Game Changers, veganuary movements like that. And now in India, there's also a gradual infrastructure which is being built around it. For example, the FSSAI has introduced the vegan logo and a regulatory framework. And we hope that that can be transferred to other sectors also, like fashion, like, other sectors, hospitality. So it does need a lot of proactive effort from our end to make that happen, to make sure generations ahead can truly trust and value something which they believe in and stand up for it. We need to do this. Today, we are headed to a normalization and a global market of 375 billion for just vegan foods. If somebody is building something meaningful, don't wait for others. Build it, follow your heart. There will be slumps, embrace them. They're part of the journey. Not because the data justifies it on day one, not because, it's easy, but because you know that that's the better way to live for people, for animals, and for the planet. And you can't always wait for trends to tell you that it's time. So this hall is packed with vegans, non-vegans, people from the industry. And that's truly what the conference is about. We are the intersection of all types of people from all sectors. But somewhere, something is right. And that's why this is growing. And we're so grateful to you all for joining us today. Please make the most out of the 2 days. We have a lot stored, and we're very blessed that we're together in making this societal change more permanent. Thank you so much.